video para lang sabihin or maging aware yung mga tao regarding the breast cancer. I was diagnosed with breast cancer last March 2025, and it's really difficult to accept it at first dahil things come to my mind na will I survive it? Will I survive the treatment, the pain? Will I survive the challenges? Kailan ako mamamatay? Hanggang kailan ako mabubuhay? Paano tatanggapin ng mga magulang ko, ng aking mga anak, ng pamilya? Paano yung trabaho? Paano yung mga dreams and goals? But then, from March until now, I'm still alive, surviving the treatment, though every day is a fight. But then, everyday gising is also a blessing. So, alam ko na marami ang nagsasuffer, marami ang dumadaan sa mga treatment or sa sitwasyon nila ngayon na meron silang breast cancer. So, keep praying. May mga araw na malakas, may mga araw na nanghina tayo, may mga araw na nandun ng pain. But as long that we're still alive, as long na gumigising tayo every morning, ito ay blessings from God, and let us all be thankful about it.